Hi guys, this is Skyler. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to connect the various parts of the desktop computer. So what I have here is called a desktop computer, and I'm just going to go through and show you the parts of a desktop computer. So here we have what we call the monitor. The monitor is the screen. It's the one that shows you what you are doing in a computer. Okay. Secondly, here we have what we call a mouse. Yeah, this one is the one that is used to move around the computer when you want to click something, you want to open a program. This is the one that you're using. And okay, next, the third one is called the keyboard. This is the keyboard that is used for typing. For example, you want to make documents, this is the one that you use to type. Very good. Next, we have what we call the system unit, but most people call it CPU. Though a CPU is a chip, and that one I'm going to explain more into the next video. So this one is called the system unit, but most of you call it CPU. And we have what we call cables. Necessarily, or this one is called the power cables. So cables are also important in the desktop computer. Alright, so we start by connecting the monitor to the power source. So you take one, usually we have two power cables. One is for the monitor and one is for the system unit. So you take the cable, come closer. You take the cable, the power cable, then you plug it into the power port. To the what? To the power port. So this is how you're going to insert it. So you check which way is the correct way to plug it in, because as you see this port, can you come closer to the port? It has 3 pins. I wish you could see it. It has 3 pins. So you take the cable, then you plug it in. So if, for example, you try to plug it in and it doesn't want, you don't have to force it, because when you force it, you are going to break, or you are going to bend the pins, which is going to destroy your monitor. You'll have to buy another one. It's pretty expensive nowadays. So you find the right way, then you plug it in. Right. After that, you power it to the power source. Right. Next, you take the next power cable. Remember we said you have 2 power cables. Then you plug it in. And this is, it depends with the computer you have. It can be located somewhere around here. So the power port is somewhere here, some is somewhere here, so it depends. So you take the power cable and you insert it there. Come closer. Like that. Then of course, before you plug it to the power source, you have to make sure that you have inserted all the cables. Now let's go to the most important. It's called the VGA cable. This one is called the VGA cable. There are various types of cables which you can use to connect the monitor and the system unit, that is the CPU. For us, we're going to use the VGA because this monitor only has the VGA port. There are different types of monitors. Some have the HDMI cable, the high definition media interface cable. And this one is the VGA, the video graphics array cable. Alright, nice. So you first connect the VGA cable to the VGA port. Come closer. It is this one here. This one, the blue one. So again, when you insert the VGA cable to the VGA port, you have to make sure that the pins are aligned well, correctly. Because if you try to force it, you are going to break the pins. So you're going just to check which is the correct way, and this is the correct way. Plug it in like that. Close the pins, okay? Like this. Same, you come to the monitor. You look for the VGA port. It's somewhere here. Again, you have to check properly. Then you plug it in and close the pins. Alright, here we are. Next is the mouse. We're going to connect the mouse, and there are ports here. This one is called the USB ports, and this mouse use the USB cables. So again, you connect. Remember, if it refuses, you turn it around. There it is. Same with the cable. It has a USB cable, so you just insert it with the USB port. Here we go. Nice. You arrange them systematically. You arrange them systematically. It depends if you're right-handed or left-handed, right? Of course, the power cable is connected to the power source. So the monitor, if you want to turn on the monitor, you press here, the power. Where is the power? You see? Yes. This one. Where is the power icon, eh? And then it's going to turn on. On your computer, you just press here. Where is the power icon also? The power button, okay? You know. And yes, sometimes when you turn on the computer, it might ask you to, it goes through what you call the booting process. So you have to wait, and then it will ask you to press F1. It will ask you to press F1 to save changes. Then you're going to press F1 and wait for it to process. It is the operating system which is trying to arrange itself so that it can be ready for you or for the user to use. Let's give it some time. And that's how the process is done. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.
I've been having a lot of scary dreams. Chasing dead presidents, I wanna shoot his beams. Honestly, I don't give a shit, let's full of it. Haters said keep it down like Tate. Shit as good, can call her Kate. I get money, all I do is hate. Lie on the cross, damn I'm Jesus.